I'm excited to be talking about the question that's on many people's minds. What is the overweb? I'm David Benjamin, CEO of Bridgit. We just won the 2019 Disruptive Technology Culture Driver Award from the EU's flagship Next Generation Internet program. The problem we're addressing is the lack of transparency and trust on the web. Search, sites, and content lack context. And there's many things like clickbait, fake news, and priority placement for ads that leaves people not knowing what to trust. Our solution is to build the overweb, a new trust layer on top of the web. Actually, we're going to build part of it. We're enabling the crowd to build bridges, to bridge it. And when they do, they own and control their data, and they earn money based on the value that their bridges create in the network. This will enable rapid discovery of content as well as 360-degree context for any idea on the web. Receiving a lot of traction. We're heavily involved in Next Generation Internet, part of the Early Adopters Club. We got the award, and we've been giving presentations in their workshops. We also have a core team of 23 active members, and our key patent was recently green-lighted. The market we're going after includes knowledge management software, SEO, and search advertising for a total of $200 billion. We've got a diverse management team with a lot of experience, including 2 Stanford members, as well as 2 PhDs and people that have worked at Apple and Current TV, Turner, Nokia, etc. We are raising a seed round for $1 million. We're using a SAFE with a 20% discount. And just to summarize, we are defining the overweb. We are a player in the next generation internet, and our key patent was green-lighted with no prior art claims. Thank you very much.